Creating a web development gig on Fiverr is a strategic process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log in and start a new gig. Sign into your Fiverr account and go to the gig section. Click Create a new gig. Choose a clear gig title. Your title should be specific. For example, I will build a responsive WordPress website, or I will create a custom e-commerce site with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Highlight your niche for clarity. Select category and tags. Choose programming and tech and then website development. Use tags that describe your gig like web development, responsive design and e-commerce. Craft your gig description. Clearly explain what services you provide. Describe the platforms you work with and detail any additional features you offer like SEO optimization, speed enhancement or custom design. Add pricing and packages. Create 3 tiers with increasing levels of service. For example, basic might be a single page design, while premium could be a full multi-page, custom website. Upload a portfolio image. Use high quality images or screenshots of your past web development work to showcase your skills visually. Publish the gig. Review everything, then click publish. Share your gig on social media to attract your first clients.